So, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 was finally unveiled by Samsung, and while Samsung has done a great job improving the Galaxy Fold line over the years, there's still some reasons why you should skip the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So here are 5 reasons you should not buy the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Number 5. Price. When the Galaxy Fold was first introduced, it had a really high price tag. Almost $2,000, which is kind of crazy for a smartphone. But it was understandable back then. Folding phones were new, and this folding display technology in those phones was going to understandably be more expensive to start with. But now this is the 4th generation of this technology, and while the price tag has gone down, it's still $1,800. That's a lot for a smartphone, especially because we're starting to see better and better mid-range smartphones that are less than half the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. For example, the Pixel 6a, which has a great camera system, a clean software experience, and Google's Tensor chip. You could even get the Galaxy S22 from Samsung and the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra with its huge 14.6-inch display for less than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is kind of crazy to think. So you're still paying a premium for this folding technology, which is a good reason why you might just want to skip it. Number 4, the cameras. Look, the cameras on our smartphones are really important, and Samsung has never really focused on making the cameras the best they can be on the Galaxy Fold line. Yes, they have improved this year with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. We now have a 50 megapixel wide angle camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom and 30 times space zoom, which is definitely an improvement from last year's Galaxy Fold 3. But it's still no match for the hardware inside the Galaxy S22 Ultra, for example. You should still be able to get some impressive shots with the Z Fold 4, but if cameras are important to you on your smartphone and you want the best possible camera system you can find, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is where you need to look. You're getting a 108 megapixel wide camera sensor, 2 telephoto lenses that give you up to 10 times optical zoom, and not to mention, it's $600 cheaper than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So if you want the best camera experience and you're looking at the Galaxy Z Fold 4, you may want to look elsewhere. Number 3, battery life. It's no secret that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 struggled when it came to battery life, in big part due to its large 7.6-inch high-resolution interior display that was capable of 120 Hz. That kind of display will just eat away at battery life. And normally a display that size means that the device itself is going to be larger, which means it'll have a larger battery. But the Galaxy Z Fold 3 only had a 4,400 mAh battery. That's smaller than what you get with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which doesn't have such a large display. Well, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has the same display and the same battery capacity. The good thing is it does have the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor inside, which is said to be more power efficient. So we should see some better battery life on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but you shouldn't see any drastic improvements here. It's still going to struggle when it comes to battery life, especially compared to other flagships with larger battery capacities. I know battery life is important for me, and if it is for you, that's something you might want to think about before buying the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Number 2 is durability. We all know folding phones are just not as durable as the classic smartphone sandwich design. We all remember what happened with that first gen Galaxy Z Fold. Well, Samsung has come a long way, and it's really improved the durability of their folding phones since then. But it's still a folding phone. That interior display is much more fragile than a regular smartphone with a glass display is. The hinge, while it's improved, still is capable of allowing small things to get in and damage, or at least annoy you because there's something stuck inside the hinge. Like I mentioned, Samsung has gotten better and promises that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 should be improved when it comes to durability, but it's still something to think about with a folding phone. Samsung was able to add IPX8 water resistance, so that is something when it comes to durability, but you definitely still need to be careful around dust or sand. If you're the type that's a little rough with your devices and you want something that's going to survive a busy lifestyle, this phone is definitely not for you. Number 1, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Really, the number one reason not to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is you could probably buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3 right now for a big discount. Yes, the Z Fold 4 is an improvement all around when compared to the Z Fold 3, but it's more of a small refinement than actual big improvements. They improved the durability with the Z Fold 4. Samsung says it's 45% more durable when compared to the Z Fold 3, but what that actually means, no one really knows. You also have an updated processor, but the processor inside the Z Fold 3 is no slouch. And the camera system should be better on the Z Fold 4, but once again, you're not going to see any drastic improvements. There's other small differences as well, but are those things worth $600 or more? Because it's possible to find the Galaxy Z Fold 3 for even cheaper elsewhere if you look for it. Well, that's a tough decision. If you want a foldable but you also want to save money, the Z Fold 3 might be the best choice out there, and you might want to just skip on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And those are the top 5 reasons I think you shouldn't buy the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now that doesn't mean that this is a bad phone. In fact, it's a pretty great phone. I love what Samsung is doing here, and there's a lot to love with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But there are some reasons why this phone might not be a good choice for you, and hopefully this video helped you to see that. What did you think of my top 5 list? Do you agree with my top 5 reasons why you shouldn't buy the Galaxy Z Fold 4? Let me know with a comment down below. I'm working on the top 5 reasons you need to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 4, so the opposite of this video. That's coming soon, so if you don't want to miss that video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.